Sir, can you tell us more about the involvement of the USDOJ?
I think we're doing that because the website is using international companies also. No, they're not all local based na lang. And for instance, yung GoDaddy.com, no, na nakitang yun ang URL na ginamit. It's a US based company. So syempre kailangan may coordination with US authorities as well.
How big, sir, is the role of the international community in trying to solve this problem?
Well, I don't know officially how big their role is, but the interest is certainly large. I mean, hacking incidents like this are rarely confined to national borders.
Yes.
So it's in the interest of everyone, whether Filipino or not, to understand how this happened and how it can be prevented, and most importantly, how to bring the adversaries to some sort of accountability.
Are you asking for help from other countries?
As far as I know, ang na-contact namin is US DOJ. I don't know if they're contacting any other countries right now.